Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my Chamberlain HD210 once again. And I have not uploaded in like 3 months, so I'm pretty sure you guys will be happy since I've uploaded, because I have not uploaded in a long time. So I'm gonna give you a run of this thing, no BS, and we're just gonna get to the point. So here we go. Yeah, the door's gotten a little louder since the garage doors desperately needs these new tracks because they've gotten a lot worse recently. So yeah, if you see that, I got a new truck and no Toyota over there. Oh, and check this out. Check out these Christmas decorations. All by me, nobody else. This is all me right here. This is all me. All of this. Even the snowman right here. And the tree. But anyway, I'm gonna go back and shut the garage door, because that's pretty much the reason why I uploaded this. So here we go. Well, anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.